Form 2441 is how you claim the Child and Dependent Care Credit on your federal return. To qualify, you must have paid someone to care for a qualifying child under 13 or a disabled dependent or spouse, while you and your spouse both worked or were looking for work. The credit directly reduces your tax, not just your taxable income. Enter your name and Social Security number matching your Form 1040. Part 1 lists the person or organization that provided care. You need their name, address, and taxpayer identification number, either a Social Security number or an employer identification number. If the provider refuses to give their ID, you still file, but you may lose the credit. Part 2 identifies the qualifying person. Enter the child's name and Social Security number. On line 3, you enter your qualifying expenses, capped at $3,000 for one qualifying person or $6,000 for two or more, regardless of what you actually paid. The credit rate ranges from 20 to 35% of your qualifying expenses, depending on your adjusted gross income. The lower your income, the higher your credit rate. The credit is non-refundable, meaning it can reduce your tax to zero, but not generate a refund. Attach Form 2441 to your Form 1040. Keep receipts and records of all care payments during the year. Dependent care benefits from an employer reduce the expenses you can claim here. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.